Welcome to Mobileye, one of the world's most advanced systems for preventing collisions and saving lives. This system has been proven to reduce collisions by up to 45%. That's why many of the world's leading brands and truck manufacturers put their trust in Mobileye. In this video, we'll give you a quick tour of the Mobileye 8 Connect and how its features help to keep you safe on the road. The Mobileye vision sensor is installed on your windshield, usually just behind the rearview mirror, so the camera can get a clear view of the road ahead. The GPS unit is also mounted on the windshield, away from the camera. The camera scans the road ahead and uses complex algorithms to keep track of potential risks to safety. If the system determines you are at risk of collision, you will be alerted with both audio and visual alerts. The visual alerts will appear on the system's display unit, the EyeWatch. When you start your vehicle, the EyeWatch will display the Mobileye logo and then two yellow lines. This lets you know the system is active and ready. Now, let's take a look at the safety alerts your unit might display and what they mean. While you're on the road, Mobileye is constantly monitoring the time between you and the vehicle ahead of you. Normally, Mobileye will display a predetermined safe green number, which shows you're following time in seconds. If you get too close to the vehicle ahead in following time, Mobileye will beep once and display a red car icon with the unsafe following distance. This tells you to slow down a bit so you can maintain a safe following distance. This warning is only active when you are going over 19 miles per hour. Next is the forward collision warning. Mobileye constantly monitors your speed and the distance between you and the vehicle ahead of you, or any vehicle that may suddenly cut in front of you. When there's a high risk of imminent collision, Mobileye will beep rapidly and display a red car icon, so you can take action and avoid a dangerous situation. Urban forward collision warning is also available for city driving at speeds under 19 miles per hour. Mobileye also keeps track of what lane you're driving in. If you leave your lane without signaling, Mobileye will beep rapidly and display white dashes along the appropriate side of the EyeWatch to prevent you from unintentionally drifting into the wrong lane. But if you're signaling, then Mobileye assumes that the lane changing is intentional and does not provide a warning. This warning is active at speeds over 34 miles per hour. Mobileye also looks out for pedestrians and cyclists to help keep city streets safe. When a pedestrian or a cyclist is detected in your path and there's a risk of a collision, Mobileye will beep and display a red pedestrian icon on the EyeWatch. Mobileye also uses speed sign recognition to keep track of the speed limit. When a speed limit sign is detected, it is displayed across the EyeWatch and then lowers into the corner. When you exceed the last detected speed limit, the icon blinks, indicating you need to slow down. Some Mobileye systems include additional features like adjustable volume. Check with your fleet manager to see if your system is equipped with these features. Please note, Mobileye is an alert-based system only. It does not affect the operation of the vehicle. So, Mobileye will not decelerate the vehicle, brake, or move the steering wheel. It does not replace any actions drivers would normally perform when driving a motor vehicle, nor does it decrease the need for drivers to stay vigilant and alert in all driving conditions, to conform to all safety driving standards and practices, and obey all traffic rules and regulations. Also, Mobileye only scans the road ahead. There are no side sensors, in-cab cameras, or backup camera capabilities. To ensure your privacy, it does not capture, record, or store any footage of you. Mobileye is not intended to prove who's at fault in the event of a collision, but to keep the event from happening in the first place. This concludes the overview of your Mobileye unit. We wish you safe travels. If you'd like more information or to read about our user guide, please visit our website at mobileye.com/fleets. Mobileye, driven by safety.